Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Liisa. And I have to say, I did not think that I would be making this video, but here we are. And I've been on YouTube for about a month now, and I haven't introduced myself at all. And that is because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep doing this, if I just needed a little creative outlet for a while. But it looks like I'm here, and some of you are starting to reach out and introduce yourselves. So, welcome to my channel. I am Liisa, and please spell Liisa with 2 I's. It is the Finnish way of spelling it. So this is the channel Liisa, and I haven't fully figured out yet what the channel is going to be, but if you like thrifting, if you like vintage, if you like styling your clothes in a little bit different of a way and maybe not quite following the trends, this channel is probably for you. I am a full-time vintage reseller, and I have been for 5 years about. And in this video, I'm going to show you and open up a little bit about what my life has been like in the past few months, because I have lost my vintage store. And good things come from bad things, and everything can be made good, no matter where you start or what you're going through. So also, if life has thrown something at you sideways, this might be a channel for you as well. It's tough for me to look at the footage that I'm going to share. And honestly, today was the first time that I even opened it up on the laptop and started to look through some of the pictures and some of the videos. Our beautiful shop burnt down, we think started by a fire from a restaurant next door, and we lost it all. I have a lovely business partner. We have 2 separate vintage selling businesses, but we've always shared a space and shared the rent and shared the work. Shared a lot of fun also. Her name is Kalia, and you'll see her in this video as well. I'll check with her first before I click publish, but I'm sure she's okay with it. So I had a business partner. We just shared the load, and we had such a fun time putting this shop together. We made it from nothing, from our 2 online businesses. We made this beautiful shop. It was such a fun place. Honestly, it had a little bit of magic to come and try on vintage and buy special things for your wardrobe. This shop was fantastic, and we've lost it. So we're in a pop-up shop for a couple months, and as of September 1st, I am back to selling online and working from home. So I'll also bring you guys along with me to sell from home and show you how that works in the magical world of Etsy and my online web shop. So I'm looking forward, and I just wanted to come on here and say hello properly and nice to meet you, because I'm going to be here for a bit. I'm hoping to post videos every Thursday. So stick around, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun on this channel. And let's get some thrifting in. So that essentially was what I wanted to share with you today. It lets you know who I am and where I'm starting from right now. And I just wanted to say welcome to the channel. And please reach out in the comments and let me know who you are and where you're watching from, what you're thrifting for, what your hobbies are. I would just love to meet you. And if you have any ideas for me for future videos, let me know what you would like to see in upcoming episodes. And I'll be here excited to read them in the comments and to get to know you further. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.